It's like a Tuscan bean soup. So a little bit of oil in the slow cooker. And then what we do is take beautiful fresh onion, right, and we saute that down. I've got some garlic over here, so we toss that in as well. And I've got carrot, celeriac, and swede, but it could be absolutely anything.
So celery root, that funny-looking thing that looks like kind of an old brain in the grocery store, is very yummy. Parsnips.
Parsnips are good.
Sometimes I put fennel in mine when I'm making stewed beans and greens, or minestrone, we call it.
Oh, no, you don't call it swede, you call it rutabaga.
Rutabagas, yeah.
In Europe, we call it swede. I'm turning that up just a little. You want to keep it low and slow. And
you want to sweat them.
You do. And the beautiful thing about this is you can keep coming back and you throw another ingredient in. And you can sort of take your time with it.
And it cooks itself.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Now, I've got some ham. Yes, I'd probably use a pancetta if I was in the restaurant.
Sure.
Or maybe, you know, a different smoked meat. But the truth is a bit of ham, if you don't have that, a bit of chicken would be nice. If you don't have that, vegetarian is fine too. You toss all of that in.
It just gives a natural salty background.
Right, exactly.
You could melt in a few anchovies. Can I wilt the kale into
Wilt the kale, my darling. My lentils go in, and then once you sort of dump those in, you can pretty much start adding the liquid straight away. So you've got your chicken stock there. Chuck that in as well. Our platter is done. You might also want to do a little salad, like a first course. So let me show you how quickly you can do a first course salad. You grab one of these bags, we've usually got this in the fridge, right? Whether it's arugula or baby spinach, just go ahead, toss it into a bowl.
Green, right.
Exactly. Then you just come back and you're like, what have I got? Fennel, I've got celery, I've got a bit of cabbage. You can just go straight over the top of that and just shave that straight in, so it's going to be full of colour and looking really, really beautiful. And see how I'm just doing that? The whole head of celery, right? So that's very, very simple, very, very easy.
So in the pot with the greens, when you add the stock, you can add the tomatoes. And then at the very end, for this back one, we're going to add 1 can or 15 ounces of cannellini, or white beans.
Right. So the soup's underway. I've just tossed together this beautiful bowl of veggies, which is all a salad is. Then I go to the fridge and I make my dressing. And you can literally do it over here. You can pick up a little bit of mustard. I've got some spicy brown right there into the bottom of my jar. I've got a vinegar that I like the look of, which is my sherry vinegar right there.
I love sherry vinegar.
Me too, so go ahead and be pretty generous with that. Get some extra virgin olive oil in. And then I'm gonna pop the lid back on, shake it like crazy, and you've got yourself a dressing made. Really, really easy.